Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth card. First, locate an open PCIe slot on your motherboard. Gently align your new Bluetooth card with the slot and press it down firmly until it seats completely. You should hear a soft click. Next, use one small screw to secure the card to the case bracket, ensuring it stays firmly in place. Finally, if your card requires it, connect the small internal USB cable from the card to an available USB header on your motherboard. This ensures full functionality. Once your Bluetooth card is physically installed, the next crucial step is driver installation. Visit the card manufacturer's official website to download the latest drivers specifically for your operating system. Always run the installer as an administrator to avoid permission issues. Carefully follow the simple on-screen instructions provided by the setup wizard. After the installation finishes, it is essential to restart your computer. This allows the new drivers to integrate properly with your system, ensuring optimal performance and stability. With the drivers installed and your computer restarted, it is time to enable Bluetooth within your operating system. Begin by opening your computer's main settings menu, usually found through the Start button. From there, navigate to the section labeled Bluetooth and Devices. You will see a prominent toggle switch for Bluetooth. Simply click or tap this switch to move it to the on position. Your computer's Bluetooth functionality should now be active and ready for use, often indicated by a small icon in your system tray. Now that Bluetooth is enabled, you are ready to pair your first device. First, ensure the device you wish to connect, like headphones or a mouse, is in its pairing or discovery mode. This usually involves holding down a specific button for a few seconds. On your computer, go back to the Bluetooth and Devices settings and select Add Device. Your computer will scan for nearby devices. Select your device from the list, and if prompted, enter a pairing code, often 4 zeros or a specific number from your device's manual, to finalize the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.